Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to send video by Bluetooth on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Alright guys, so here you can send videos using Bluetooth. Next to you can also send them via other platform. So now without any further ado, I will show you how to send video using Bluetooth. And make sure guys that you already activate your Bluetooth and also you already pair them with the device that you want. Like this, so yeah, it's ready to send the video. Okay, first I will go to gallery for looking some video that I want to send. And so yeah, I will choose one of them and I choose this one and click share guys. And after that you can click for Bluetooth and you can choose the device that you want to send, and you can wait for a while until the other device is accepting your request to send a video. And if you get accepted, now you can wait for a while until the video delivered perfectly guys, and maybe it takes a little longer time and you have to be patient. So yeah, if the video has been sent, there will be a notification guys. So here's the tutorial on how to send video by Bluetooth on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching.